Philippine Coconut Authority prohibits the cutting of coconut trees across the country from January 3 to March 2017. Rey Pelayo will tell us why.
Based on the assessment of the Philippine Coconut Authority, the monitoring of cocoa tree cutting activities in the country has become ineffective. This prompted the agency to issue a 3-month moratorium on cutting coconut trees that starts tomorrow, January 3rd. PCA Administrator Billy Andal says several PCA officials had been negligent in issuing cutting permits, mostly in the Quezon Province.
Kung halimbawa yung in-apply ang 20 puno na supposedly ay ang claim ay matanda na, wala namang actual checking na nagaganap doon sa puputulin ninyo. So, ang nangyayari, yung permit ay nagagamit para makapagputol ng mas marami o sa iba pang lugar na kung saan nandoon ang gusto nilang putulin ninyo.
However, there are exemptions in the implementation of the moratorium, and these are the areas devastated by typhoon, wherein around 300,000 coconut trees were damaged, such as in Bicol area. Likewise, areas infested by coco lizard are also not included under the moratorium for the reason that some trees need to be cut to control the infestation. There are about 340 million coconut trees in the country, and 20% of them are subject for cutting due to maturity. Rey Pelayo, UNTV News and Rescue, Quezon City.